How are you? I hope you're home and safe and happy and finding things to do, like me, silly things. I was just on Instagram before and I ended up talking about tonsils. I'm not sure why, but I was so inspired by the tonsil talk that I wrote a poem about it afterwards, and here it is. It's very profound. It goes like this. Someone took my tonsils, and I think I'd like them back. I was sleeping when they took them. Who was that thieving quack? Well, from a bad kid's poem to a good one by the great A.A. Milne. And oddly enough, I once rented a house in Chelsea in London, which had been owned by A.A. Milne himself back in the day. And I was making a film at Pinewood called Event Horizon. So during the day, I'd be at Pinewood doing freaky science fiction stuff, and I'd come back to A.A. Milne and I'd read Winnie the Pooh to my kids. And here's one by the man himself. It's called Us Two. It's about companionship. Wherever I am, there's always Pooh. There's always Pooh and me. Whatever I do, he wants to do. Where are you going today? Says Pooh. Well, that's very odd, because I was too. Let's go together, says Pooh, says he. Stay safe, stay happy.